This CGI looks so real. He's going to be the next Spider-Man. Marvel, hit him up. These custom graphic designs on clothing are unlike any other. Two huskies meet at a red light. Anybody know what this means?
Here, watch this, wait for it, easy, pull it up.
Oh my
God!
You could tell this person never has a passenger. The attitude this dog gave at the end is hilarious. Has anyone in the comments tried this yet? Let me know if it works. I need this laundry chute immediately. The perks of being the smallest dog. Can you control your nostrils? From low to high quality, see the difference for yourself. Can't put the phone down even for a minute. Do normal guy best friends exist? I'm no mechanic, but maybe this works. He was never to be seen again. He created this art to portray what phone addiction is like. Once he put the Crocs in sport mode, he can run faster than Sonic. An RC truck from these guys' perspectives. This man beat the world record for the fastest time to solve a Rubik's Cube. Saluting the royalty of Spain. He's winning, so the carnival attendant tried to rig the last shot, but he still won.
So, Achtung, freie Auswahl. Das ist nämlich hier der Jack Man in the house. On.
She looks a bit like Rey from Star Wars. Cat's advice for catching humans. Do the boys understand? Here's some nifty gadgets that just make sense.
One dispenser lets you neatly store rolls of foil or plastic wrap, has a slide cutter for smooth cuts, and also comes with a pack of labels to identify each roll. This coaster will securely hold mugs, bottles, and cups on your sofa's arm and will keep your drink from spilling. And this dispenser can hold 25 pounds of rice on your counter, and it has a button to dispense the perfect amount into its measuring cup, which doubles as a strainer.
Like and subscribe right now to make Doggo happy. Think that chicken wing got enough ranch?
Oh my god. It's really good.
Transparent sticky notes help you literally copy and paste notes. Are these custom keycaps worth the prices? You decide in the comments. I really love this Kirby rug he made. This inflatable hammock can be blown up with just a handheld fan. The lifestyle of professional mountain bike athlete Fabio Wibmer. Retail employees, take notes. The cat aggressively pets back. Their kitchen is now my dream kitchen. From the airport to the Mr. Beast chocolate factory. He tried to go for a strike, but his wallet surely took the strike.
What kind of angle is this? Oh my!
He attended his graduation in style. The dream life. This is how a helicopter refuels midair. Infinite hot dog glitch. Proof that showing up matters. They went wakeboarding when something cool happens. He tried to open this bottle with one hand since his other one was broken, and the employee lent him a helping hand. This drink device is revolutionary. Sticker removal is absolutely necessary. He's very proud of his work.
2 o'clock and I've finished the job. What a great day. What a great job. Just about to go home. Well done to me. Sensational. Well done.
The water changes the raincoat's color. He made a whole grain in one. Don't even think about saying it. This trick helps make sure the lid doesn't rip.
You're crazy, girl.
How did he get his voice to do that? Wise words.
Time with her, kissing her, having fun with her. You think that's what it was all about? That was love? Yeah. This is love. Missing her because she's gone.
I thought this was the bad part.
No. The bad part is when you forget her, when you don't care about her, when you don't care about anything. The bad part is coming, so enjoy the heartbreak while you can.
Things were going surprisingly well until the last one.
Scared the crap out of me.